students, in the previous class we have studied how to find out the sum of interior angles. So now in this class we will see the sum of exterior angles of the given polygon. So we will see the sum of exterior angles of the given polygons, and we will simplify the problems on that. After that we will move on to the different types of quadrilateral. Now the sum of measures of exterior angles of a polygon. Exterior angles of a polygon. So you are already familiar with the different types of polygon. So if a polygon has three sides, it is called as triangle. If a polygon has four sides, it is called as quadrilateral. If a polygon has five sides, it is pentagon. If it contains six sides, it is called as hexagon, heptagon, nonagon, decagon. Similarly, you have already studied that. So now we shall take the one example. Any one example of this polygon. Say students, observe this polygon. So this polygon has sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this polygon contains 5 sides. So what do you call if a polygon has a 5 sides? Yes, it is called as a pentagon. So A, B, C, D, E, A is a pentagon. So it contains 5 interior angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, so if we extend each side, so we will get the exterior angle. So observe here, in this side EA is extended. So call this as an angle 1. So this is an exterior angle. So AB and the side AB is extended. This is called this as angle 2. So similarly, side BC is extended. Call this as angle third angle. CD is extended. Call this as fourth angle. And DE is extended. Call this as fifth angle. So therefore, there are 5 exterior angles are there. So exterior angles means if we extend each side of a given polygon, either it may be the triangle or it may be the quadrilateral or it may be the pentagon, hexagon, etc. If we extend, that is angle is formed. That angle is called as exterior angle. So here there are 5 exterior angles are there. So if you measure these angles, exterior angles, with the help of the protractor, and if you add all the angles, you will get, it is always the sum of the exterior angle is always equal to 360 degree for any type of the polygon. So we can measure yourself in the x side. So we can write angle sum sum of exterior angles of a polygon. So here it is pentagon. For this figure it is a pentagon. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 360 degree. So it is always equal to 360 degree. If you measure with the help of the protractor for any exterior angle of a polygon, if you take triangle, so then also if you add the exterior angles formed in that triangle, you will get 360 degree. So generally we can write therefore the sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So this is generalized form for the exterior angle. So it is always 360 degree. So now students, we will see the problems on this, the exterior angles of a polygon. So now we will take the exercise 4.2, problem on exercise 4.2. Exercise 4.2. First main is that find x in the following figures. First main, find x in the following figures. Now students, observe this figure. This polygon has three sides, 1, 2, 3. So if a polygon contains three sides, what do you call that polygon? Yes, it is a triangle. So for this triangle, the exterior angles are 125, here also it is 125, here is x degree. That exterior angle, we have to calculate that. So we know that for this, we know that the sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is 360 degree. So take that. We know that sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. Now we shall add all the exterior angles. So we call this as an angle 1, angle 2, angle 3. or you can simplify it directly by writing the angles. That is angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equals 360 degree. So the exterior angle of first angle is 125 degree. 125. So again, the exterior angle of second angle is also 125. Whereas in case of third exterior angle that we have to calculate right here we get equals 360 degree. So add this 125 plus 125, you will get 250 degree. 250 degree plus x degree equals 360 degree. 360 degree. So now we have to find out the value of x here. Therefore, transfer this 250 to the right side. We will get x equals 360 degree minus 250. So if you subtract or simplify 360 minus 250 degree, you get 0, 6 minus 6 minus 5 is 1, 3 minus 2 is 1. So you will get answer is the value of x is 110 degree. The value of x is 110 degree. Now students observe the second polygon. So second polygon it has sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So therefore it takes 5 sides. It is called as a pentagon. So if you observe this exterior angle, call this as an angle 1. This as angle 2, angle 3. This as an angle 3, this as an angle 4, this as angle 5. If you observe these exterior angles, so in these exterior angles, some of the exterior angles they are directly given in the measurement. Whereas 1 and 4 are not given directly, but they are marked here the right angle symbol. Right angle symbol. So therefore we have to understand that they are equal to 90 degree. In the fifth angle it is 60 degree, second angle it is 70 degree. So whereas first angle is 90 degree, fourth angle we are going to calculate. So in the fourth angle they are given the interior angle. We have to calculate the exterior angle. So by using the linear pair. So first we shall find out the angle 4. So angle 4 equals 180 minus 90. 180 minus 90 because these two are the linear pair. So the angle sum of the linear pair is equal to 180 degree. So therefore 180 minus this 90 degree, we will get angle 4 equals 90 degree. So the exterior angle is 90 degree. Now we shall add the sum of, we know that the sum of the exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. By using that property, sum of exterior angles of a polygon is equal to 360 degree. So the x write down here angle 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 equals 360 degree. Angle 1 is they are marked here. Observe the figure. They are marked right angle symbol. Therefore, it is 90 degree. Plus second angle they have given 70 degree. 70 degree. Third angle, what we have to calculate? X. Plus fourth angle we have find out it by using the linear thread. These two, the sum of these two angles is equal to 180 degree. 180 minus 90 will be equal to 90 degree. Fourth angle is 90 degree. Plus fifth angle is 60 degree. Equals 360 degree. Now add these angles. So 90 degree plus 70 degree, 160 degree. So 160 degree plus 90 degree. Now we will add here 90 degree, 70 degree, again 90 degree, 60 degree. So 0. 6 plus 9 is 15. 15 plus 7. 22, 22 plus 9 is 310. The sum of these angles will be 310. Therefore, x plus 310 degree equals 360 degree. So, if you transfer this 310 to the right side, okay, x equals 360 degree minus 310 degree. X equals 360 degree minus 310 degree. So 0 subtract. 6 minus 1 3. 3 minus 3 0. X equals 50 degree. Therefore, given exterior value of given exterior angle is 50 degree. Okay, students. Now we shall see the next mate. Now, students, in the next mate, we are going to find out the each exterior angle. So, in a polygon, if we know that the sum of the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree, it is always 360 degree. So if they have given the sides, we are going to find out the exterior angle. So if they have given the angle of the each angle of the exterior angle, then we are going to calculate the number of sides that polygon has. So students, we have to observe here. So this is holds good only for the regular polygons. So this is holds good only for the regular polygons. So in the previous classes, you are already have the knowledge of the definition of the regular polygon. So regular polygon means a polygon having all the sides, all the angles must be equal. For example, equilateral triangle is a regular polygon. So observe the key point here to do the next main problem. In a regular polygon, here observe this word. In a regular polygon of n sides, each exterior angle equals 360 degree by n. So if you know, if we know the number of sides, we will calculate the each interior angle of the regular polygon, not for all type of the polygon. It holds good only for the regular polygon. Similarly, number of sides of a regular polygon with each angle equal to 60 degree. So here it is a regular polygon, so therefore each angle will be equal. So if they are given the angle, we can calculate the sides of the given polygon by using 360 by x degree. So now students, we shall see the problem next main. So next main is the second main. The problem of the second main is find the measure of each exterior angle, each exterior angle of a regular polygon or first one 9 sides, second one is 15 sides. Students, observe here in this problem we are going to calculate the measure of each exterior angle of regular polygon, not for all polygons, only regular polygons. Regular polygon means a polygon having all sides are equal and all angles are equal. It is called as a regular polygon. So now we are going to use the given formula here. Now for the first problem, it has 9 sides. 9 sides. We know that each exterior angle. So here n equals 9. Each exterior angle equals 360 degree by n. 360 degree by n. So substitute the value of n, 9, 360 degree by 9. So 9 ones are 9 fours are. So it will be equal to 40 degree. So therefore, a regular polygon having a 9 sides, its each exterior angle is equal to 40 degree. So its each exterior angle is equal to 40 degree. Similarly, students, we can find out the second problem by using the same formula. So here, so in this problem, n equals, put the n equals 15 sides. So each exterior angle is equal to 360 degree by n. So in place of n, write 15 and simplify, divide, you will get the answer. Okay. Now students, we will see the next problem. The next problem is, how many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angles is 165 degree? How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of interior angles is equal to 165 degree? So if each interior angle is 165 degree, so we have to calculate how many sides that regular For this, we are going to use the second formula. Number of sides of a regular polygon with each angle x degree equals for 360 degree by x degree. So for this, we have to first calculate. For this problem, we have to calculate. In this problem, they have given the interior angle. In this problem, they have given the interior angles. Each interior angles of a regular polygon is equal to 165 degree. But in the formula, so we are going to use the exterior angle is that the sum of the exterior angle is equal to 360 degree. So therefore, we have to calculate the exterior angle of the given regular polygon. So it is obtained by subtracting, so it 165 degree by 180 degree, because those two are the linear pairs. So what you have seen in the previous problems. So the exterior angle of a regular polygon equals 180 minus 165 degree. Students, subtract this. 180 minus 165 degree. So tan 0 can take the carry. 10 minus 5 is 5. So 7 minus 6 is 1. So here it is 0. It will be 15 degree. The each exterior angle will be 15 degree. Of the given regular polygon is 15 degree. Now by using this formula, so therefore number of sides of a regular polygon equals 360 degree by x degree, which will be equals 360 degree by value of x is 15 degree. So if you divide that, you will get the answer. 360, if you divide it by 15, 15 twos are 36, it becomes 60. 15 fours are 60. So we receive. So therefore, the answer will be 24. That means the number of sides of a regular polygon, given polygon, is equal to 24 sides. So the given polygon has 24 sides. Okay, students. Now, students, you will see the different types of quadrilaterals. If you also here different types, depending upon the properties, we are going to divide the types of quadrilaterals. First one is trapezium, second one is kite, third one is parallelogram, fourth one is rhombus, fifth one is rectangle, sixth one is a square. So you you might already studied in the previous classes also. First one is trapezium, second one is kite, third one is parallelogram, fourth one is rhombus, fifth one is rectangle, sixth one is square. So mainly there are trapezium, kite, parallelogram. Three types are there. So these three rhombus, rectangle, square are the special type of parallelogram. So they are belongs to the parallelogram group. Rhombus, rectangle, square all belongs to the parallelogram groups. They are the special parallelograms. They are on the basis of the properties, on the basis of their properties. So totally there are 6 types in the quadrilaterals. Now we shall see one by one. Now students, so I will show some solids. So by seeing that you have to recall the previous knowledge. By recalling the previous knowledge, so now come on, tell me the different types of the quadrilateral which you have studied in the previous classes. So if you observe here, observe this solid, observe this solid. So this is a quadrilateral. So it has 4 sides, it is bounded by 4 sides. So what do you call this? Observe clearly. So what do you call this quadrilateral? Yes, this is a rectangle. You will see the properties afterwards. So it is a rectangle. Okay. Next, what do you call this solid? Yes, in this solid all the 4 sides are equal. All the 4 sides are equal. So what do you call this solid? Yes, it is a square. Okay. Now if you observe this, solid, so what do you call this? It is a parallelogram. Yes, it is a parallelogram. Or can it is a parallelogram. It is a one type of polygon also. So if you observe this plane figure, observe this plane figure. So it is also a type of quadrilateral, but here only the opposite sides are equal. So therefore this plane figure is called as trapezium. This is a trapezium. So next, students, observe this plane figure. So this has a 4 sides. It is called as what do you call this? Yes, it is called as a rhombus. It is called as a rhombus. So once again, recall the plane figures. What do you call this plane figure? It is called as a rectangle because opposite sides are equal and all angles are equal to 90 degree. So this plane figure is called as a rectangle. What do you call this plane figure? Observe clearly. Yes, all the sides are equal. Therefore, it is all the 4 sides are equal and all the angles are equal to 90 degree. So therefore, it is called as a square. Now observe this plane figure. What do you call this plane figure? So here also, if you observe the sides, opposite sides are equal. So these two sides are equal, these two sides are equal. So opposite sides are equal, both the opposite sides are equal. Therefore, it is a parallelogram. Now, what do you call this plane figure? Observe the sides clearly. Observe the sides. So in this plane figure, only one pair of opposite sides are parallel, not equal. Only one sides of the given quadrilateral is parallel. Therefore, this plane figure is called as a trapezium. Observe this plane figure. So what do you call this plane figure? So this plane figure is called as rhombus. So it is called as rhombus. Okay. We shall see one by one. First we will see the trapezium and its property. Observe this. So it is a trapezium. Now we shall learn in detail the properties of this trapezium. Okay, students. Now, students, we will see the first type of the quadrilateral is trapezium. So if you observe these figures, if you observe these figures, so it has four sides. These four sides, there are one pair of the opposite sides. So they are parallel. So in this quadrilateral ABCD, so ABCD is a quadrilateral. In this quadrilateral, the side AD is parallel to side BC. So this arrow mark symbol indicates they are parallel lines. So that is you are already studied in the previous classes. So the side AD is parallel to side BC. Therefore, a pair of a side or parallel in a quadrilateral. If pair of sides are equal, a pair of sides are parallel, then it is called as a trapezium. Therefore, we will define the trapezium as a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. A quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides is called as trapezium. So, if you observe this figure also, you will see that the one pair are parallel. So other two sides, observe these two sides, AB and BC. So these two they are not parallel. So that means if we extend these sides, they will meet at a point. They will meet at a point. So therefore, we will write, students, so we can write in a figure, ABCD, ABCD, the side BC, side BC is parallel to AD. Side BC is parallel to AD, or you can write AD is parallel to BC, or AD is parallel to BC. So this symbol indicates parallel lines. AD is parallel to BC, or BC is parallel to AD. One pair is parallel, therefore it is a parallelogram. Therefore, ABCD is a trapezium. Is a trapezium. remember that in a quadrilateral, if one pair or a pair of sides are parallel, then it is called as trapezium. So other two sides, what about the other two sides? So AB and this, here these two sides. So they are called as non-parallel sides. They are called as non-parallel sides. And AB and CD are non-parallel sides. Non-parallel sides. And also, this is a quadrilateral. Is a quadrilateral. The sum of the interior angles must be equal to 360 degree. So therefore, the sum of interior angles of a trapezium is equal to 360 degree, because trapezium is a type of quadrilateral. Here, sum of interior angles equal to 360 degree. Sum of interior angles is equal to 360 degree, because it is a type of quadrilateral. In the previous classes we have studied all the sum of the interior angles of a quadrilateral is equal to 360 degree. Friends, in the next class we will see the other types of the quadrilaterals. Okay.